Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your DaZn app. All you have to do in the first, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here, click on apps. It's going to take you to apps list until you're looking for DaZn app. Or just click on search. Then here at DaZn app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. You're scrolling down here, click on storage. Sorry, we will go back here. So you click here on storage here, then it's going to show for you like this here. Click on clear cache. Then all you have to do next, you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, and here you search for DaZn app. Just search for DaZn app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You will find here DaZn. You will find update here. Just click on it, and it's going to work with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.